Hi, my name is Chad Nelson. I'm the team leader for the A-Team at Caldwell Banker Realty, and I cannot wait to show you 1607 Karen Drive in beautiful Viewpoint Estates. Come with me and let's take a tour. This incredible new construction property offers fantastic features that you don't typically see in a spec home. The two-car garage is unique with a large 18-foot wide garage door. The RV garage is double width and 64 feet deep for all of your recreational toy storage needs. Step into the vaulted entry and immediately notice the 8-foot doors, crown molding ceiling accents, and soft closing barn doors in the en-suites. This home is pre-wired and pre-plumbed for central vac, cameras, security, and surround sound in the house and in the garage. This home has 2,405 square feet of living space with 3 bedrooms, 2 of which are en-suites, 4 bathrooms. One of the bathrooms services the backyard and the RV garage. One of my favorite features of this home is the feel of the open kitchen, dining area, and living room, complete with a large walk-in pantry equipped with plugs above the shelves for kitchen appliances. I also appreciate the double-sided cabinetry in the kitchen island and the convenient wet bar in the living room. The large windows and sliders attract natural light in both the living room and dining areas. To make this peaceful retreat your lake house, call or text 485-4181 or stop by the clubhouse at Viewpoint Estates, one of the highly desirable and fastest growing communities in Lake Havasu City, between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. daily.